Up guys.
Yeah, bomb ka.
Patayin nyo yan. Sige. Balik nga kayo. Patayin nyo to. Pero tingin pa din kayo dun ha.
6 seconds lang yun. 3.
Ano to, bubuha na kayo.
Matay na. Mogs pa lang.
Why so soft?
Ayun na, looking.
Ayan sila. Laking sila. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Go dito sa likod. Okay, go. Puta patay. Boom. Tara, walk in dito. UD armor, heal ko dyan. Go, walk. 10 seconds ako, 10 seconds again. Oh, ready E again. Ready in 3, 1. Go dito. Boom. Okay, come back. Resistance.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Don't go in the choke. Scatter. Wait for my E. Okay, let's walk. Ready?
Okay lang kayo mas time may cleanse ako. Ready ko lang sa
Ready.
Okay.
Iingatan mo doon sa arcane nila pre yung parang umihigop.
Oo.
Doon ko
nitin.
Yeah.
Ready E again. Ready E.
Ready.
Yeah, they're looking. Just hold that. Hold there.
3 seconds, G.
Hold there. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Go easy. Oh yeah. Go. Boom. Here, Judy armor here. Brawl here. Go. Skill her in the Judy. Okay, walk na. Walk. Follow. Nice. Putams. Marunong si Omis mo ka na. Ready again. 3, 2, 1. Dito na. Healer. Nice. Kahit 5.1 yan. Nakatayin nyo na lang. Kaya sila nag-4